Good evening from the Arizona desert. My name is Tom, and I'm out here in Phoenix, Arizona, and these are the nightly DoorDash numbers from the desert. Well, the last shift that we did was Sunday, March 15th, and it was a battle royale between myself and DoorDash. It was epic. They kept on sending me high paying offers, but going deep into alternate zones. Kind of like high paying trash offers, if you will. Well, they tanked my acceptance rate from the middle 90s all the way into the 80s. I was declining offer after offer after offer. I'm not about to do unprofitable jobs for DoorDash. Many people think that all I do is accept every single offer, and I am here to tell you that is not the case. If it does not make sense to me, if it's going to be an unprofitable offer, if it's going to put myself into a potential harmful situation, it is an automatic decline for me. I do not care what the dollar amount is. It could be $100, $150. It could be $1,000. I will not deliver something that's going to take me out of the game potentially. I am not about to do unprofitable jobs. Everything that I do is run through a calculation. And if it does not make sense to me, again, I do not care what the dollar amount is. I'm holding my ground, I'm standing fast, and I'm running my work model. And that's the bottom line. And I would advise you to do the same. If it does not make sense, if it's going to put you into a harmful situation, if it's going to throw you into the middle of a bunch of merchants in another zone that you're unfamiliar with, where there might be homeless people, drug addicts, etc., or put your vehicle in danger or an altercation because you're not part of that ecosystem inside of that other zone, then my advice to you is refrain from accepting those offers. And that's exactly what I did yesterday. And as a result, I still finished with 363 and 63 pennies. Below where I wanted to be, but that's fine. Like I said, it was a battle royale. And this all started because they put me into the outskirts of town with an $18 stacked offer from a very slow merchant. And they keep on trying to suck individuals out into that area with a good offer, only to try and hold them captive with unperforming merchants and low dollar offers where you have no other choice. Well, let me tell you how I counter that. I play that DoorDash game, and I unassigned from those after that time period allowed me to have that worry-free unassign. And then I drove 30 minutes away. Yes, 30 minutes away. It cost me $10 to have peace of mind just to get away from DoorDash's manipulation of dashers in that area. So from now on, I may take an offer if it pays well out there, but I am leaving that area and I am going somewhere else. And again, I would advise you to not play these DoorDash games and take control of your own business. Do not let them control you. You are an independent contractor who has control over your own destiny. And that is my advice to you. So let's go take a look at just how much they damaged my reputation yesterday with my acceptance rating. So we're going to go out here and we're going to go look at our potential, not our potential, but our ratings. And yesterday they tanked me from the middle 90s all the way down to an 84 acceptance rate. Now I have room to play. You may not, but I would still advise you to not let them control you. Do whatever you have to do. Dip down into the gold or silver status, but make a stance. Fight the system. Do not play their manipulative games. That's my advice to you. So we have an 84 acceptance rate, 100% completion rate, a 99 on-time rating, a 4.94 customer rating, 1128 for our 30-day total, and $49,269 for our lifetime deliveries. So again, make your own decisions. Take a stand. Take control of your own business. Make the decisions according to your needs, not according to DoorDash's needs. Do not allow them to manipulate you. So with that, I'm out, and let's go for success another day. I'm out.